Hi, my name is Vladimir, and today we're gonna discuss a company called Teqra Holding. Is it a real company? Can you really make money with them, or is just a scam and you better not go there? First, we're gonna review how real is it. They say on their website that they're trusted partner and so on. We can see documents on their website. I've been to their presentation in Moscow a few weeks ago, and they said like we are a real American company, but we are registered in Costa Rica because it is impossible to pay dividends every day with laws of United States. So that's why we are registered in Costa Rica. I doubt that it's a real thing, as they say, because most of the hype companies registered in some small offshore countries. This one is registered in Costa Rica, as many others. We see documents on their website that it's registered. On presentation, they said this company exists already a few years, but it was like a private fund for rich people, and now they decided to bring it to everyone else in the world and become a really huge investment company and bring happiness in our lives and so on. But I've heard this story many times before. Every company says that, like every second company maybe says that they exist already a few years, but when you check their website or how long they're registered, you see that they exist only like a couple of months. So as we can see here on their website, we can see document that they're registered in Costa Rica, and we see their name. Official name in Costa Rica is Teqra Holding Sociedad de Responsabilidad Limitada. I've tried to find this full name in Google, but I didn't succeed. It looks like there is nothing on the internet about this company that exists many years and so on. Going further, we see here they created this company and registered just in November of 2020. If you existed few years more as a private fund, why you created company just now? Maybe you had another company, it didn't fit to be a big company, so you created the new one. But as I said again, I heard this story before. I went further. I tried to find this company on this website, Registro Nacional República de Costa Rica. I tried, but I didn't find anything using this certification number. Maybe I didn't do it correctly because their website is such horror, it's hard to find something there. But maybe this is just a fake document. Maybe they're not registered even in Costa Rica. There is nothing here on the website about their CEO, but if you check their YouTube channel, you will see videos in all languages with their CEO. Their CEO looks like Arabic man, but his name is not Arabic. If you see his speech, you can see that his words are not really fitting his lips. It looks like he's not talking English. Like CEO of American company does not speak English. And on the internet I found some photos of exactly the same man who is working as a DJ and actor in St. Petersburg, Russia. His name is actually Mustafa. I tried to find these photos later, but I didn't find. Maybe they deleted it. But looks very suspicious. It looks like they just hired an actor who will play their CEO. And actually this company looks pretty much the same as another company, Rostex. And Rostex also has CEO who is Russian actor and claimed to be Irishman. But some people from Teqra say, no, there are just so many people which look similar in this world. Just coincidence. What they are offering us investments, passive income. They have different plans. You can earn in dollars and bitcoins and Ethereum. They're pretty much the same, just depends on what currency do you want to get profit in. For example, there are actually 6 different plans. Plan 1 is just for 10 days, but this is not real 10 days. It's actually 10 working days. They don't say anywhere here on the website about this, so you usually find out only when you already invested. 10 days, it's actually 2 weeks, like 14 days with weekends. So as with every other plan, if you see here 60 days, it's actually 80 something days. And so you're gonna wait a little longer to get your profit. So with plan 1, you can start from $50. You will get every day 1.1% minimum and 1.5 maximum. And we can see interest today 130. And actually interest today, it's real interest. It's not, you probably not gonna get 1.5 or 1.1. Every day you will get 1.3%. How they make this money? They say that they're traders on crypto exchanges and stocks exchanges. So if you see how much interest they are offering, you will understand that in here you will get very huge number. If you reinvest money from this plan, you get this 1%, you reinvest. You get 1% next day from already bigger sum of money and reinvest again. In a year, you will get around like 1000% or even more. People who knows at least a little about investments and trading, they understand that this is not a real number. No trading company makes so much money. Sometimes you can make money, a lot of money in one day, but next day you will lose even more. Around like 95% who is trading, they lose money. They don't even earn money. Not talking about 1000% a year. This is unreal. And exactly when you see that they pay every day the same percent. For example, on VIP plan, they pay 3.2% every day, or 3.22 or something. Every day the same percent. Trading is one of the most inconsistent things in the world. Like, you cannot make the same profit every day. This is just funny and not real. So with the first plan, you get 1.3% every day. And one of the major things here that you can withdraw your principal. So if you invest $1,000, you get 2 weeks, you get 1.3%, and then you get your $1,000 back. With plan 2 and plan 3, it's exactly the same, just you have to invest more money and you will get more percentage. With plan VIP, it's different. You invest from $500, you get 3.2% every day, but you cannot withdraw your principal. So if you invest $1,000 in like 3 months, you will get around $2,000 if you calculate this percentage, but in the end you will not get back your 1,000. It's just included in your interest today. So because in these plans you just get it back in the end, and in this plan you get it by small piece every day. But in some ways it's even better, because in this plan you get it late and here you get it earlier. And the most different plan is VIP Plus. You can invest from $50, just so convenient, and you get 5% every day. Like 5%, are you kidding me? 5%, like 20 days, it's 100% a month. It's impossible. But principal withdrawal is yes. You will withdraw your principal in the end of 180 days, and this 180 days is actually around like 8-9 months with weekends. But you can see here daily withdrawal and red. So it means that you invested $1,000 and you cannot withdraw any money until the end of this program, because in every other plan you withdraw money every day. You get money, like you get 3.2% in VIP, and you can withdraw it right away. Here you cannot withdraw until the end of this program. This is like the biggest percentage, but I doubt that many people can get their money in the end of this program. It's a question of survival of this company. It's too much. Even for hype company, it's too much. There is a big possibility when a lot of people will come to the day when they gonna pay you back this money, they will close. Maybe some first people will get their money because it's not a big number, but when it's much more people, you will probably not see anything. But we'll see. It depends on other things too. It depends on cryptocurrencies, how are they doing well or not. Maybe they will survive a little more. Maybe they will survive even more than 1 year. But I would not rely on that. So what am I thinking about Teqra? I think that it's a hype project, pyramid. Right now it's working. It's paying money as it should be paying. It's actually paying very fast. When you request to withdraw some money from your account, you get this money in just few minutes. It's just fastest withdrawal among other hypes. In some hypes you have to wait like 4 or 5 days, and here like few minutes. This one I like in this company. But as I said, this is a pyramid, and you have to act with it as with pyramid. You cannot rely on that. You can only invest money that you are not afraid to lose, because it's working, but you don't know how long will it work. But with the plan VIP, which is for 60 days, for example, with this plan, you will get your money back in just 1.5 months. For example, you invested $1,000. In 1.5 months, you withdraw your 1,000, but you can withdraw every day. In 1 month, you will get your 1,000 back, and you don't worry now. You got your money back at least. And every next day, you keep getting interest. You are now in profit. But you can invest only money that you are prepared to lose if something goes wrong. It's a high risk investment. If you don't want to try high risk investments, you invest in some less risky real companies, but you will get not 60% or 100% a month. You will get 10-20% a year. It depends on you how much money you want to make, in which term, and how can you risk to get this money. As for me, I invested in this company. I have now invested $6,000 in a VIP deposit, and I'm getting my interest every day. I withdraw it, and there is no problem for now. And actually, company is developing very fast. And just 1 week ago, they opened at least 3 offices in Russia. They say that they're American companies, they're registered in Costa Rica, but it seems to me that most activity is going on in Russia. As I said before, it looks like CEO is living actually in Russia and working. Probably creators of this company are also Russians, as creators of many other pyramids. Probably we are now like capital of pyramids in the world, because we have so many of them. But if you know how to act with them, you can make money. So as I see, this company is growing fast, developing very fast, and it doesn't look like they will not survive 1.5 months for me to get my money back at least. Probably they will survive more. If I invested like 6,000, I get 12,000. I will not invest all these 12,000 again. Maybe I will not invest anything more, or if at that time company is still doing well, I will invest, for example, like 5,000, because this is a really good percentage we get here, so I can risk, but that time I will only risk my profit that I already got from this company, so it's not as risky anymore. One of the main things that hype project needs to survive, it's growing, and we can see results of their website. It's consistently growing, and as I said, they just opened recently offices, and you see it started growing very fast, was growing before. For me, it seems to be quite safe to join this company now, but you don't have to listen to me. You have to decide by yourself, because as I said, it's high risk investment. Nobody can guarantee you that tomorrow company will not close and you will lose all your money, and I will lose part of my money, because part of my money I already got back from this company. If you want to try investing in this company, you can find a link to join it in description of this video. If you are interested in such high-risk investments with crypto and hype projects, subscribe to this channel. It's my first video here, so there are no subscribers yet. And on the description you will see my Telegram group. You can join it too and ask questions about this project or other projects like this, and I will help you to get into this. For example, if you don't know anything about cryptocurrencies, and such companies work usually mostly with cryptocurrencies. Until next time.